Namaste, children. Today we are going to see an interesting prose topic Gopal and the Hills of Fish from your textbook. Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Once upon a time, it was the season for hills of fish. The fisherman could think of nothing but only about the hills of fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but hills of fish. Fishmongers means fish sellers. Come, buy the price of hilsa is down today. Come and buy the hilsa fish. Likewise, they started shouting. Even the householders, they always talking about this hilsa fish. How much did you pay for this? Likewise, they conversing one among others about hilsa fish. Even in the palace, the courtiers discuss about the same hilsa fish to the king. They talk with the king like this. Your Majesty, you should have been see the huge hilsa I caught. It was. Likewise, he started to converse. Then the king got angry. Then he said, Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Why all are talking hilsa like this? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty and asked, I'm sorry, I lost my temper because you all are talking about the hilsa fish because it is the season for hilsa fish and no one, not even Gopal, can't stop anyone from talking about hilsa fish. He questioning the Gopal whether you can stop. Not even for 5 minutes, please. Likewise, he is requesting Gopal. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Now I will do. Likewise, Gopal agreed. Then let me see. You buy a hilsa fish and bring it to the palace. But one condition, without anyone asking you a word about it. That is, you have to bring the hilsa fish, but no one question you about that fish. Then Gopal agreed the challenge. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? Her wife is questioning. I am dressing up to buy a fish. Gopal is replying, What? What's matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? He leave his face half shaven, then he put the ash sambal in his face and dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. He again replied, Listen me, please. Why you dress like this? Why you are going with disgraceful rags? That means what? Torn clothes. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman? I am going to buy a hilsa fish. Huge hilsa fish. Likewise, he replied to his wife. It's happened to him. He has gone mad. Likewise, the wife is thinking about herself. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. For the surprise, no one talked about the fish, all talked about this man. Mother, look at the man, isn't comical? Then some mother is saying, he must be a madman. Oosh, I think he is a mystic. Mystic means what? Mandravadi, yes. When Gopal reached the court, even the courtiers, what they are asking, what do you want? Why you came here? Because they didn't recognize Gopal. He is replying, I want to see the king. You can't see the king. Get away from here. Likewise, they are replying because they didn't understand who is he. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Then all people gathered there. Inside the palace, the sound reached. Then the king felt the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king, let me in. Likewise, he is shouting. Then the king ordered, Bring that man to me at once. Yes, Your Majesty, I'll do that. Likewise, the soldier replied, then Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. Oh, what happened to him? What happened to Gopal? I think it's one of his crazy jokes. He's always cracking jokes, no? This too one of the greatest joke. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why you are dressed up in the ridiculous fashion? What is this? What happened to you? Likewise, the king is asking Gopal. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. What you told yesterday? You asked me to buy one hilsa fish without talking about it. Because of that only, I dress strangely, and if no one seems to be interested to the hilsa fish today, all their concern is about me. From the market to the palace and even in the court, they didn't talk about the Elsa fish. Not even a single soul has spoken a word about this Elsa fish. Then I had done my duty. Only the the king remembered the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Now only he came to know everything. Then he laughed. Ha 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 ha. Well, Gopal, well done. Congratulations. He replied to Gopal. You have achieved the impossible once again. What a great thing, Gopal. You are extraordinary. Likewise, the story finished. Thank you, children. What did you understand from the story, children? Children, what did you learn from the story? You have to clever always. You have to be prepared to handle every situation. So we can't leave up. We have to face each and everything boldly. That what Gopal proved in this story, and he always known for his witness. So we have to handle the situation with our cleverness always. Thank you.